Hello Salimik, in today's video I will show you what scammers do when they sell a car, so you would be aware of if one day you would buy a used car and don't get scammed like this. I heard so many people say it when they bought a car, the paint was nice and shiny, but after a week the paint got faded and showed all that white spot on some panels. So whenever something like this happens, it means the paint is not factory paint or the clear coat being damaged by UV light or salty water. Here's an example of my car. This hood being painted and not factory paint. Since the day I got the car, I was applying protection wax to match the other panels. So I stopped applying wax for making this video. If we look at the hood, we can see it's a faded color and feels rough if we touch it compared to other panels. Faded color happens in two scenarios: if the panel being repainted, if they didn't paint it in a correct way, or they used non-UV protected clear coat, then the panel will look like this. So the easiest way that scammers do by using WD-40. It's an oil water base. They're just gonna spray it on the panel and wipe it off. It will leave a layer of oil on the panel and make it look shiny. So here is the result after wiping off the WD-40. It's not perfect but much better than before. Before applying it was like this and now it's like this. So when the faded paint being covered with WD-40 and you bring the car home and do the first car wash, when the paint gets dry, it will show all the defects. So it's a temporary work just for selling the car. The paint that has WD-40 on it, it will attract dust, so it will be obvious that one panel has more dust on it, and if you touch it, it will feel oily surface. Just a heads up if you buy a used car. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new for buying a used car. If the video was helpful and learned something new, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.